Hi, in this demo, we're going to explore RancherOS and see how we can start containers on top of it. As mentioned earlier, RancherOS runs two Docker daemons, one for the system services and one for the application containers. As shown on the screen, we are running to Docker daemon and they are listening on two different Unix socket files. To list down all the system containers, we can use the command as shown on the screen, in which we are referring the system-docker.sock Unix socket file as our Docker host. And to list down all the application containers, we can use the docker container ls command, in which we are going to refer docker.sock Unix socket file as our Docker host. To start an application container, we can use the command as shown on the screen, in which we are creating a container with the name web from the nginx image. Our application container get listed with the docker container ls command. To list down all the services of RancherOS, we can use the ROS tool like as shown on the screen. We can use the same ROS tool to enable and disable these services. We can also list down all the available RancherOS versions with the command as shown on the screen. The current release is 1.4.0 and we are currently at the latest release. To upgrade to the latest RancherOS release, we can use the ROS command as shown on the screen. Like in this case, we are trying to upgrade. As we are already in the latest release, it is asking us to continue anyway if you want to. Let us select Y here to continue. We already have RancherOS 1.4.0 image. If we did not have it, then that image would get first pulled and then we would be asked the question as we are getting on the screen now, whether we want to continue with the reboot or not. Let us select Y here, and as expected, our system is now rebooting, and after the reboot, we would be again on the same 1.4.0 image because that's the latest one. So in this demo, we have explored RancherOS and ran containers on that.